So Nitya, my question here is that, to be able to manifest a desired life or a desired outcome, we already said that thought, feelings, actions, and we need to be in the alignment of what we are saying, what we are feeling, and what we are doing, right? Energy plays a massive role over here because if somebody who is with that sad emotions and someone is, just practicing their affirmations and visualization, I'm sure the person will not get that desire easily, right? So the energy plays a very, very important aspect in the area of, creating your thoughts and creating a life that you want to uh, create for yourself. So
Yeah.
if someone's emotions or someone's energy is not that great, how someone can work towards it consciously to be able to know that this is the outcome I'm looking out for and this is what I need to practice consistently throughout the day.
See, once we have the emotion which is not resourceful, it is because of the thought which goes on in our mind. Okay. So first we have to be mindful of the thought and we have to replace the thought to what is really required, positive thought. Okay. In that way, the emotion which is not going to service will obviously change. At the same time, the most important thing is self-concept. The individual has to actually work on themselves. They have to focus on themselves. Okay, for them to really increase their vibration, because we feel so happy when we do what we really like, right? What makes us happy. So that will put us in a state, positive state. So state is very important. State is something which is our current being, current state of being, right? State is something like a physical, emotional, mental. Everything put together is state. Currently, who we are right now. So in that case, it's very, very important that we are in the right state, so that we attract the right things in our life. So definitely, in order to increase our vibration, we have to do what we really love, what we are passionate about. So focusing on ourselves, prioritizing ourselves is definitely going to improve the vibration. So I want all of you to try this out. Okay, when you really feel low about yourself, start doing something which you really like it. Okay, the other techniques, homework, yes, of course, any individual, they have to follow visualization, affirmation, everything for manifestation. But at the same time, when the emotions are intense, just allow that to pass, give some time and start focusing on yourself. In that way, things will start shifting because your vibration shifts now. You are in a very high state of vibration now, vibrational frequency, which will attract the right things. Do what you like.
Great. So Nitya, would you like to add or share some small habits that someone can inculcate or practice to start reshaping their thoughts consciously?
Yes, wonderful question. See, in order, as I said, as we discussed earlier, mindfulness is very important because throughout the day, thoughts would be going on, right? As I said earlier, 60,000 to 70,000 thoughts. So, for us to be mindful of what exactly we are thinking and if we are on the right track, I think an individual can even set an alarm like once in 2 hours each day for quite some time, because in that way, after 2 hours, when they monitor their thoughts, are we thinking the right thoughts now? Is my thoughts exactly, are these thoughts serving me? Are these thoughts serving me? Will these thoughts help me in achieving my desire? Is it supporting my goal? Okay, because it's going to be in autopilot mode. Subconscious mind will run in an autopilot mode. Okay, throughout the day, the same repeated old thoughts will go on in the mind. So the individual, what they can do is they can set an alarm and they can just manage their thoughts like once in 2 hours, like once in 4 hours. If they are going to practice this mindfulness at least for a week or two, then obviously they will become aware. Throughout the day, it is very easy for them to monitor. They know that they are thinking right. That will become a habit. So main thing is to break the old habit of thinking the old thoughts which are not serving them. So this will definitely work, Anu. I think anybody can practice this. And even
Thank
one
you.
week, 1 or 2 weeks of mindfulness, practicing mindfulness will definitely change a lot in their reality. So my advice is, all of you who are watching this, please go ahead and try this out. Positive things will happen.
Thank you.